Hello everyone, is your diesel engine struggling to start, misfiring, or producing white smoke? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0671, cylinder 1 glow plug circuit open, this means there's a problem with the glow plug system, which is essential for starting your diesel engine in cold conditions. In this video, I'll explain what P0671 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, the exact locations of the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0671? The P0671 trouble code stands for Cylinder 1 Glow Plug Circuit Open. Diesel engines rely on glow plugs to preheat the air inside the cylinders for a smooth startup. If the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects that the glow plug in Cylinder 1 has an open circuit or isn't working properly, it triggers P0671, which can cause hard starting, misfires, and rough idling. Common symptoms of P0671: check engine light on difficult cold starts, rough idling and misfiring in cold weather, excessive white smoke from exhaust, poor fuel efficiency. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0671. To diagnose P0671, check these key parts. Glow plug for cylinder 1. Location: installed in cylinder 1, usually threaded into the cylinder head near the fuel injector. Function: preheats the air inside the cylinder for better ignition. If faulty, it won't heat properly, causing hard starts. Glow plug control module, GPCM. Location: usually mounted on the engine block, firewall, or near the intake manifold. Function: regulates voltage to the glow plugs. A faulty module can fail to send power to the glow plugs. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location: near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function: monitors the glow plug system and triggers the P0671 code if an issue is detected. Glow plug relay. Location: usually in the fuse box or mounted on the engine compartment. Function: controls when the glow plugs receive power. A failed relay can prevent power from reaching the glow plugs. Wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the GPCM, PCM, and the glow plugs. Function: transfers electrical signals. Damaged or corroded wires can cause open circuits and high resistance. Common causes of P0671 faulty glow plug in cylinder 1. A burnt out or damaged glow plug can trigger the P0671 code. Glow plug control module, GPCM, failure. If the GPCM fails to regulate voltage, the glow plug may not heat properly. Wiring or connector issues. Broken, corroded, or loose connections in the glow plug circuit can lead to an open circuit. Glow plug relay malfunction. A faulty relay can stop power from reaching the glow plugs, making cold starts difficult. PCM error. In rare cases, a software issue in the PCM can cause false glow plug circuit errors. How to fix P0671? Step 1. Scan for additional codes. If multiple glow plug codes appear, check the entire glow plug system. Step 2. Test the cylinder. 1 glow plug. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be around 0.62.0 ohms. Step 3. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged wires. Step 4. Check the glow plug relay and fuse. Replace if they're not sending power to the plugs. Step 5. Test and replace the glow plug control module, GPCM, if needed. If it's faulty, it won't send proper voltage. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and verify the fix. Ignoring P0671 can lead to hard cold starts, excessive white smoke, and poor fuel economy. Fixing this issue ensures your diesel engine runs smoothly and efficiently. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0596, thermostat heater control circuit low. P0597, thermostat heater control circuit high. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.